This is a brand new method for installing Kali Nethunter on any compatible Android device. The best part, this guide doesn't require root or custom recovery. All you need is unmodified stock Android device, allowing you to install Kali Nethunter without voiding your warranty. Now with that said, let's get started. The only requirements of this video: an Android smartphone or tablet running Android 11 or higher, at least 10 GB of free internal storage space. Now for this guide, I'm using my Pixel 7a running the Android 16 developer preview. However, this guide works on most Android devices running Android 11 or higher. To install Kali Nethunter rootless, we are going to use an application called Termux. Open your web browser, navigate to the Termux GitHub page, and download the latest Termux application. Make sure to select the file labeled as ARM64v8. Then install the application on your device. Next, open the Play Store and search for Real VNC Viewer and install it. You can also use NetHunter Kex application to connect to the graphical user interface. I recommend using Real VNC Viewer as it performs much better. Now open Termux and wait for a few seconds for the initial setup to complete. You will see a Termux prompt with $symbol. Then follow these steps to prepare your environment. To set up Kali Nethunter, you need to type several commands. If you have a Bluetooth mouse or keyboard connected to your Android device using USB adapter for easier input, then type termux-setup-storage to grant storage permission. Then type termux-change-repo to change the repository mirror to download the packages more efficiently. After that, type pkg upgrade to upgrade the installed packages. You will encounter a few prompts for confirmation. Now keep pressing the return key to accept the defaults. Then install wget by typing this command. Once it's done, download the Kali installation script. Type wget-O install-nethunter-termux followed by this URL and press the enter key. The URL is case sensitive, so make sure to type it exactly as shown. I will include all these commands in the video description for your reference. After downloading the script, you need to modify its permissions to execute by running this command. Finally, run the script by executing this command. You will be prompted to select an image. Now choose the full edition for a GUI interface. Select the first option and press the enter key. The setup process will take some time, so ensure you are connected to a stable and fast internet connection. To prevent interruptions, increase your device screen time limit to 30 minutes. Now once the Kali image is downloaded, rerun the script and select the full edition again. And choose End for Now when you are asked to delete the root file system. Then it will start extracting the root FS. It may take around 10 minutes so please be patient. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Kali NetHunter Rootless Edition running on your Android smartphone. Now, these are some important commands you have to remember. I recommend taking a screenshot for quick reference. To enter CLI mode, type NetHunter or simply type NH. Once you enter CLI mode, you will notice the prompt has changed. This indicates you are inside the Kali Linux, and you can confirm you are running the latest version by running this command. To test the internet connection, run this command. If everything is set up correctly, you will see packets being received. To stop the ping command, press Ctrl+C. The first thing you should do in CLI mode is to update the Kali. Use this command to update the Kali. Then you will be asked to enter the password. Type Kali in lowercase. Now keep in mind, when you are entering the password in Linux, it won't be displayed for security reasons, so type carefully and press enter. Now this process uses proot operation, a user space implementation for chroot. Once the update is complete, you can install tools like fast fetch using this command. To exit CLI mode, type exit. This will return you to the Termux prompt. To enter Kali CLI, type NH or NetHunter. Now it's time to enable the GUI mode for Kali NetHunter. Before enabling this feature, disable the Phantom Process Killer. Now go to Settings, About Device and tap Build Number 7 times to activate Developer Options. Then inside Developer Options, look for Disable the Child Process Restrictions and enable it. Then return to Termux. To start the GUI for the first time, type this command and press the Enter key to set a password for the VNC connection. Now keep in mind, if you forget the password, you can rerun this command in the Termux prompt to reset. When prompted, choose Enter No for the view-only password option. This will start the VNC server automatically. Now make sure to write down the port number as displayed. Then open Real VNC Viewer application. Click the plus icon to create a new connection. In the address field, type localhost : followed by your port number. Name the connection and click Create. Now change the picture quality to high and click Connect. Enter the password you set earlier and click Continue in the top right corner. And voila, you will now see the XFCE desktop environment. Now speaking about the performance, I can say the performance of Kali NetHunter is remarkable, especially considering it runs on Android. The application launch speeds are impressive, and even graphic-intensive applications like Krita and Kdenlive work seamlessly. I also tried coding in C using the Nano text editor, and the experience was excellent. Android tablets have a clear advantage when running Kali Linux due to their versatility and performance. Now once you're done working with Kali Desktop, click the X icon to disconnect the VNC connection. Then go to Home screen, check Notifications, and exit the Termux application. Then reopen Termux. Type the following command to stop VNC server. To reconnect to the Kali desktop, simply run the following command. Then use the VNC viewer to access the GUI again. Now, if in case you decide to remove Kali NetHunter from your Android smartphone or tablet, disconnect the VNC connection. Then stop the VNC server by running this command inside Termux. Then long press the Termux app icon, select App Info, and uninstall the application. This will remove both Kali NetHunter and Termux from your device. In case you want to keep Termux application but remove Kali NetHunter, go to Storage and Cache and click Clear Storage. And that's pretty much it. This is how you properly install Kali NetHunter Rootless Edition on your Android device. Let me know what do you think in the comment section down below. For more information, please check the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.